I'm back with another thrift haul. During my lunch hour, I picked up 11 items. They charged me $52.34 for these 11 items. I'm gonna run through them and show you what I found. I found this North Face dress. It is sleeveless. It does have pockets. I picked it up because it was a summer trend. I did not notice a stain on it in the store, so I'm hoping that comes out with a good wash. They charged me $4.50 for the dress. Down here is an Athleta tank top, double-sided design with a beautifully colored paisley pattern. $3.75 for the tank shirt. Down here is an Affliction t-shirt for women. Affliction is a great brand to be on the lookout for. They charged me $3.75 for the t-shirt. And then this t-shirt is an American Fighter, also for women. It's more of a tank top with a racer back design in a tie-dye pattern. I'm a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook, and what that means is I flip undervalued items from garage sales and thrift stores for a high profit on those websites. If you like this kind of video where I cut right to the chase and give you the thrift haul and the items that sold, then go ahead and give this video a like, which tells me you like this type of content and would like to see more. While you're at it, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. It really helps my channel. Moving back here is Chico's. No iron, blouse size 4, which is a plus size in Chico's. It's 100% linen, button front sleeveless shirt in a striped pattern. The exact same shirt is behind it in a leopard or cheetah print pattern, also size 4. So most certainly they were donated by the same plus size woman. Over here is a very pretty floral rose pattern shirt, Vince Camuto size large. They charged me $3.75 for that. Down here is a new without tag We the Free People sleeveless shirt with a bunch of ruched gathering design. $3.75 for that sleeveless shirt as well. Down here, my jeans were $4.50 each. This is a pair of silver women's jeans. These are the Suki Capri. And down here is a plus size Q Baby for Wrangler. It's a size 20W. Again, $4.50 for these. These do have a little bit of fraying on the cuffs, but I've sold these Q Baby before, and being plus size, I couldn't pass it up. And the last item I picked up was actually priced up at $10. These are G-Defy or Gravity Defier sneakers. $10 on those, but comps look to be at least $50 or $60 on eBay. I was in Goodwill for less than 1 hour. I spent $52.34 for these 11 items. I'm gonna get them listed and see how they do. Those of you that follow me on Instagram know I like to play a game I call Buy or Pass on my Instagram story. I asked my Instagram followers if they would pick up the Athleta tank top for $3.75. 56% said pass, while 44% said buy. I also asked the Instagram followers if they would pick up the tennis shoes for $10, the G-Defy shoes. 54% said pass, while 46% said buy. I don't always listen to my Instagram followers, but maybe I should. 2 of the items sold already from this thrift haul. Can you guess which ones they are? If you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. I'm at piece.of.scrap. Now let's see what sold. So 2 of the items sold already. One was the sleeveless Chico's button front blouse, all linen in the cheetah print design. It sold for $26 on a best offer. The buyer did pay $7 shipping, so they were $33 all in on this shirt that I paid $3.75 for. So my profit, $20.97. I do like to include the Chico's size chart, as Chico's does vanity sizing. This was a size 4, which is equivalent to a 2XL. I had one more item that sold from this thrift haul already, and it was the Vince Camuto sheer blouse with the floral print design. I have been slacking on picking up this Vince Camuto brand, but I think after this, I will certainly pay closer attention. This was a beautifully floral rose pattern print shirt with some ruffle detail on it. I paid $3.75 for the shirt. It sold for $21.80 on my 25% off promotion. The buyer did pay $7 shipping. So my profit on this blouse was $15.67. I just shared with you 11 items that I picked up at my local Goodwill store to flip for a profit online on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. As you can see, 2 of the items sold already, and I already made back my original investment of $52. Those 2 items grossed $61.80 in sales. The profit on the 2 items that sold already was $42.19, and I still have 9 items left to sell. Now, granted, I did turn away some lowball offers. One I can remember on the other Chico's linen shirt, which I probably should have accepted as it would have added to my bottom line, but I will continue to evaluate this thrift haul and accept offers as they come in. Speaking of lowball offers, I thought I would throw in a couple that I received on Poshmark. This is for a Rocky Mountain Western shirt. I listed the item at $32, which I thought was fair. Now, granted, it could be priced a little high on the high side. However, I do that to allow room for offers and negotiation. The buyer came in and offered $12, which is less than 1/2 of my asking price. Knowing that you should always counter and not decline offers, I came in at a reasonable offer of $25. The Poshmark buyer countered $1 more at $13. And here's another one. It is a Nike Golf women's polo shirt. Now, granted, I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. Again, I priced it high at $32 to allow for some negotiation. A Poshmark buyer came in and offered $10. Now, after the Poshmark fees of $2.95, that's not leaving much profit after my cost of goods sold. So I countered $1 less at $31. What would you do? Would you accept, decline, or counter again? Leave a comment below and let me know. What do you do when you receive lowball offers on Poshmark? And now it's time for another dose of Reseller Reality. As an online reseller, I'm often asked some of the strangest questions and receive many odd requests, whether that be an item wanting to be returned, or can I have the measurement for this? Can you meet me here? Can you try on these shoes? This is what I mean by Reseller Reality. And this segment will come to us from a Facebook Marketplace where I was selling a winter coat. This winter coat, in fact, J. Jill. Now, I did price it high at nearly $80. However, I do often run promotions on Facebook, and so they will get a discounted price, and I do accept offers on Facebook. But hi, would you happen to have a photo of the inside of the coat that you could share with me? Also, is the lining in the arms and hood the same lining that's in the body of the coat? Now, granted, Facebook and I have not been on the best of terms right now. I've had so many people say they're going to show up for an item and then they don't, or they simply quit responding on Facebook. I went from selling 3 to 4 items a day and shipping them on Facebook to nothing, like nothing for months on Facebook. And I don't believe that I'm the only reseller on Facebook having this issue. I am a part of the reselling community, and other resellers that I know have also stated that their Facebook Marketplace sales have diminished. So I'm curious, if you sell on Facebook Marketplace, leave a comment below and let me know how your sales have been. It seems like everything has switched to local sales only. So I do get a lot of people that do not show up, and I quit making sales for shipping. So I already had a beef with Facebook Marketplace. So when this message came in, I simply replied, no. I do not take photos of the inside of my clothing. And sometimes I do think I will take a photo of the inside of a jacket. However, I must have missed it on this one. But no, I'm not going to pull out the jacket and take an extra photo on the possibility that you may purchase this coat. If you're interested in any of these items, the link to all my online stores is in the description below, and you can see that here on the screen as well. Again, piece of scrap. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel, as I'm trying to grow my channel and I need all the help I can get. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.